Hello everyone, welcome to Star PH TV. So this is our first time that we're going to do an unboxing of Adidas slides. So first time natin mag-unbox ng slides, and as said, it's from Adidas. I just got this yesterday, so shoutout sa mga sellers dyan sa Robinson's Galleria Adidas. So this is the Adikin plug. It's called the Adikin plug, and I got the UK 10. Perfect fit siya, so I tried it in store. So yan, maganda yung fit niya sa akin, and it's the back of the sides of the box with the Adidas logo and yung ilalim ng box. So as I said, this is our first time that we're going to do unboxing ng slides and what's inside. So it's just a tissue paper, then this is the slide itself. So one good thing about this one, guys, is yun compared to other slides, meron siyang insole, and based sa details na specifications niya sa online Adidas, this bio-based EVA midsole made with 17% plant-based content derived from sugarcane. Yeah, so regular fit siya, slip-on construction, medyo closed toe with some holes sa may Adidas logo. Of course, synthetic upper, synthetic lining, and molded footbed. Tapos ang nakuha nating color, I think it's called the pre-lug ink color. So yan, and looking at the other pair, so and basic specs niya also, it said that minimum of 50% natural and renewable materials, and yun, synthetic outsole. So yung feel niya parang medyo soft rubber, and dito sa kanyang insole, you see medyo manipis lang siya, but there is somewhat cushioning sa top. I do not recommend wearing this sa medyo mga mabasang lugar. Of course, medyo not sure if pag nag-absorb ng water to, yun. So yan, their promotional ending plastic waste, medyo may texture yung loob, so the insole will not slip. So yan, said yung color na nakuha natin, I think is ito yung pre-lug ink, medyo grayish siya, not totally black, and this is good for indoor use. Of course, if you're going somewhere, going to run errands, and I also tried it with socks, so medyo okay din siya. But of course, pang day-to-day slide dito sa bahay. And if you see this niya, it said that it's 2,500, but I got this, nakasale siya 1,750 yun. So if you guys interested, just visit yung Robinson's Galleria. Then nakasale siya, and meron din itong online, Adidas online, you can also get yung discount yet, I think. So yun, I hope you appreciate it and enjoy this quick unboxing of this Adidas Adikin plug slides. So yan, and watch out for more unboxing, guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe to our channel, Tower PH TV, where we talk about different types of collections and investment. And kung nagustuhan nyo to, guys, please do leave a like and share na din. And yun, again, this is Albert Remo. I hope you enjoyed, and kita-kit tayo sa susunod pa nating mga video, guys. Thank you.